maisha yao kwa amani.
Jokanyo mag riwruok mar jopuonj e skunde sekondar KUPPET dwaro mondo piny owacho chop singo margi mar medo jopuonj osara kaka negi singo e kinde kampen. Jalup jagoro mar KUPPET Moses Nturima ma oloso e kaunti ma Isiolo e kinde romo mar tieko higa okoni kinde kalo kendo mae saa ma winjo piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza otiek singo margi kod jopuonj. Bende giywak e wi weche mag arita marochore ka gikoni mano en gima hinyo jopuonj ahinya matie kaunti ma Isiolo. Gikwayo piny owacho mondo oti kod jopuonj machiegni e loko gigo marocho chenro mag somo e pacho ka.
We had submitted a CBA that intended to increase the teacher salaries between 30% for those who are high earning and 70% for the lowest earning. That is the classroom teachers. And you know, classroom teachers carries the bulk of the work that is in school. It's not the principals. So this disparity between the classroom teacher and the principal is immoral, and the more it continues, the more the teachers are getting discriminated.
The major problem in CPC is underfunding, and we wish that the government could address this so that we can move into this system which we know will add value. The issues of abilities of students will be recognized in that. The issue of talents of the students will be recognized. The issues of skills will be recognized besides knowledge, because the current system is only knowledge-based. So we want to expand. We want an education system which will ensure that our students will fit into society and the economy.